Hi, my name's Sarah. I'm going to be a junior at the Dalton School. For my main project, I'm making a mind-controlled robot arm. For my last milestone, I made the robot arm talk to the Arduino, and right now I made the EEG headset. So right now we're looking at the different kind of brainwaves that it's receiving and my levels of meditation versus attention. For this milestone, I'm using an Arduino library called Brain. This converts the EEG signal into numerical values that reveals the strengths of each brainwave that it's receiving. Then I also found this EEG graphing program that allows me to visualize the different strengths of the brainwaves that the EEG can receive. In the brain, neurons emit electrical pulses that my hat can receive and process. In order to do this, there are 3 electrodes, a battery, and an EEG chip. There are 2 electrodes that attach to your ears. These are the reference electrodes. They act as a baseline in order to tell the EEG what it looks like when no brain signal is being received. There's a main electrode, which is placed at the center of your forehead, and this receives the brain waves and sends them to the chip to be processed. The chip then amplifies and records the signals. It can receive 5 different kinds of brain waves in order to see one person's levels of attention or meditation. So delta, theta, and alpha brain waves correlate with a person's level of meditation, and then also beta and gamma brain waves correlate with attention. So this is really important for my robot arm because in order to get the servos to move, I will compare the levels of attention versus meditation. So if one person's levels of attention are really high, the servo will move in one direction, meditation will move in the opposite direction. And the EEG allows it to have different modes, so I'll have many different modes to correlate with a different degree of freedom. So attention versus meditation for 1 degree of freedom and then the rest. I faced a lot of challenges while making this hat. Originally I was going to use my own design for the electrodes, but that ended up not working, and I'm assuming that it has something to do with the chip that I also had. So I ended up using Mattel's MindFlex headset, and I took that and I put it into the hat. And so for the next milestone or video, I'm going to try and see if I can fix that and make it my own design again. And then I'm also going to have the hat talk to the robot arm.